Today, an operation was carried out against the Jaish-e-Mohammed, the same organization which was involved in the Pulwama terrorist attacks. And two terrorists of the Jaish-e-Mohammed were eliminated in today's encounter. We can say based on intelligence inputs, the terrorists belong to the terrorist organization Jaish-e-Mohammed, but the identification of the bodies is in progress, but they are, as per our knowledge, senior commanders of the Jaish-e-Mohammed. Weapons, two AK-47s have been recovered, besides that ammunition and explosives.
Any injuries?
No injuries from security forces. A lot of care was taken during this operation to avoid any collateral damage. More than 5 hours of this operation went into clearing, evacuating the families. About 45 families were evacuated, and there was no collateral damage either to civilians or to the security forces.